Welcome to the Dankomas channel. Today we got some more Ultra Hots. We got 2023 set 1. Let's take a look. We got the Volkswagen SP2. We got the 71 Chevy El Camino. We got the Honda Civic Si. The 1970 Pontiac Firebird, the Nissan Silvia S14 Drift, we got the 67 Shelby GT500, and we got the 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger, and we got the 68 Mercury Cougar. Alright, let's take a look at number 1, which is the 68 Mercury Cougar. Number 1 out of the set. Here's the artwork. Let's crack it open. And here we got number 68 on the side. There's the rear. Got the black interior. Here's the base. The silver Ultra Hots. Sweet, and let's check out number 2 out of the set, which is the 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger. Here's the artwork. Here's the rear. Let's crack it open. And here we got it. Dodge on the side, got the gold Ultra Hots. Here's the front. Here's the rear, Dodge Charger. Here's the base. Alright, number 3 out of the set is the 1967 Shelby GT500. Here's the artwork. Let's crack it open. And here we got it. Number 6. Here's the rear. Front. Got the black interior. Here's the base. Alright, let's take a look at number 4 out of the set, which is the Nissan Silvia S14 Drift. Here's the artwork. Alright, let's crack it open. And here we have it. Ultra Hots. We got the purples in the front, silvers in the rear. Big ol' wang. Yellow glass. Chrome interior. Here's the base. Let's crack it open. front intercooler. Ooh. This one's nice. All right. Let's take a look at number 5 in the set, which is the 1970 Pontiac Firebird. And here's the artwork. And all right, let's open it up. Here we go. One of the cars with the only car out of the set without the ultra hots. There's the front. Got the turbos hanging out the hood. Chrome interior on this one as well. Got big old meats. Here's the base. Sweet. All right. Let's get the number 6 out of the set, which is the Honda Civic Si EM1. Silver Ultra Hots. We got the black interior. There's the front. Them's a little crooked there. SI. Exhaust. Here's the base. Sweet. All right. Take a look at number 7 out of the set, which is the 1971 Chevy El Camino. Here's the artwork. Here's the rear. Alright. Let's crack it open. And here we go. El Camino Gold Ultra Hots. Black interior. Tubbed rear. SS on the back. Here's the base. Hood pins. Alright, sweet. Let's take a look at the last car, number 8, which is the Volkswagen SP2. Here's the artwork. And here's the back. Alright, let's crack it open. Alright, let's take a look. Got the black interior. Silver Ultra Hots. Ultra Haas on the plate. Here's the base. Sweet. Alright, let me know what your favorite out of the set is. I'm gonna have to go with the Honda Civic. Also like the S14. This is gonna be my picks. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.